Okay, so good evening to all of you, and thank you so much for being present in the valedictory session of SPIN 2018. So I'm here to give you a small summary and of the giving the main highlights of this event that we hosted in the last 2 days, 22 and 23 of February 2018. First of all, the distinguished guest of honors, we have Professor Relak from University of South Alabama and Professor Michael from RTWH Germany, Dr. Salvamurthy sir, Dr. Gurinder Singh sir, and we have a colleague Abhay. All the dignitaries present here, all the invited speakers, all the paper presenters, delegates, students and everyone in this auditorium, most welcome to the valedictory session of SPIN 2018. Indeed, it's my proud privilege to be the conference chairman for this IEEE sponsored conference, which is an annual event that the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Amity School of Engineering and Technology organizes every year, and we have been doing it successfully for the last 5 years, and we definitely do look forward to continue this sequence in next year too. Well, I'll quickly read out some of the highlights of this conference, SPIN 2018. Technically, we got 630 submissions of regular papers in the conference, out of which 210 papers were accepted, and finally 184 papers were presented in the last 2 days in the different parallel technical sessions. So if you see, the acceptance is around 33-34%, which makes the acceptance ratio very tough for any paper to get accepted in this conference, and all the papers of this conference are going to be published in IEEE Explore Digital Library and will be indexed in the prestigious databases like Scopus and Web of Science. Well, about the participation, I'm so proud and I'm so happy to tell you that India has got 29 states and we have got participation from 25 states in this international conference. So rather reading out the 25 states, let me tell you the 4 states from which we did not get. One is, let me tell you, one is Nagaland, Tripura and Mizoram, the 3 northeastern states, and of course the 4th guess will be easy, it's Goa. So Goa do not do, I don't think the 4th guess will be easy. So these are the 4 states missing, and next conference we ensure that we specially get papers from these 4 states also to cover up all 29 out of 29. We would like to have 10 out of 10 so that nothing gets missed, and this conference should truly reflect the whole national participation in this technical event. And about the international participation, we had papers and invited speakers from US, UK, Canada, China, Egypt, Kazakhstan, Germany, Vietnam, Iran, Romania, Japan, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Spain, Iran, Singapore, Bangladesh, Oman, Bulgaria, Israel, Hong Kong, Italy, Taiwan and Sweden. So this was the international participation, and many multiple, and especially for the United States and the United Kingdom, we had multiple participation in terms of contributory papers and invited speakers also. Also, I would like to read out some of the prestigious affiliations from who had participated and presented their papers in the last 2 days. Well, I would like to quickly read out IIT Delhi, IIT Kanpur, IIT Roorkee, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Mumbai, IIT Guwahati, IIT Jodhpur, IIT Dhanbad, IIT Hyderabad, IIT Gandhinagar, IIIT Jabalpur, IIIT Hyderabad, IIIT Kanchipuram, IEST Shivpur, NIT Warangal, NIT Allahabad, NIT Jaipur, NIT Bhopal, NIT Kurukshetra, NIT Patna, NIT Hamirpur, NIT Raipur, NIT Rourkela, NIT Durgapur, NIT Silchar. We had participation from JNU, Delhi University, we had from Aligarh Muslim University, BITS Pilani, BITS Mesra, Thapar University, BITS Pilani Dubai campus, NSID Delhi, Jamia Ahmedabad University, Central University Tejpur, Indira Gandhi Women's Technical University Delhi, Institute of Radio Physics Calcutta, and also from research labs like CIRAC Noida, ISRO, DRDO, TCS Research and Innovation. So from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, the tip of the north to the bottom of the south, and from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there was participation in this event. I really feel humbled, honored and privileged to be the chairman of this conference, which has grown so much and attracted the visibility of all the researchers of this country and also internationally also. So, and once again, it's my prime responsibility to read out the name of the invited speakers who were kind enough to come from different parts of the country and present their research findings and their own research work and share with the students of our university and the participants. It's my prime responsibility to take the name. I'll quickly read out the name, and I wish all and I request all the participants and all the students to definitely give a round of applause for these names. Number one, we start with, there is no sequence order, but I'll just read out the names. Ronaldo Venezuela from the Nokia Bell Labs, Edward Lee from University of California, Brian Brasky from the University of California, Gia D, University of Arkansas, USA, Professor Bruce Montgomery from University of Colorado Boulder, USA, Professor Crystal Shah, Pace University, USA, Professor Hamid Sharif, Nebraska Lincoln, USA, Professor Michael Volander from RWTH Aachen, Germany, Professor Chin Sher Huang, University of South Carolina, Columbia, USA, Professor Shairar Berabasi, University of British Columbia, Canada, Professor Sven Henrik Boss, Applied Sciences, University of Applied Sciences, Berlin, Germany, Dr. Rui Yatabe, Kaisho University, Japan, Professor E.S. Sosa, University of Toronto, Canada, Professor C.K. Mohan, Cyprus University, USA, Professor Christian Langen from the Karlsruhe University of Applied Sciences, Germany, Professor Boz Rafle from the Ben Gurion University of Israel, Professor Y. Ho Mo from Hong Kong Science University, Professor Dorit Mera from University of Copper Nustrabe from Germany, Dr. Ahmed Abdel Gouad from the Central Michigan University, USA, Professor Cesar Elapi, Politecnico di Milano, Italy, Professor Luis Rucco from Institute de Investigación Tecnología, Spain, Professor Hui Huangsu, Tamkang University, Taiwan, Professor Wahid Ali Abdal from Egyptian Academy of Engineering, Egypt, Professor Hamid Vekelzadian, University of Nebraska Lincoln, USA, Professor Israel Korean, University of Massachusetts, USA, Professor Alak Yasinchak from the University of South Alabama, USA, Professor Iktefar Uddin Khan from the Old Dominion University, USA, Professor Ian White, Cambridge University, UK, Dr. Roger Giddings, Bangor University, United Kingdom, Dr. Teruka Hayashi from the University of Tokyo, Japan, Professor Andreas Savakis from the Rochester Institute of Technology, USA, Professor Chuan Yu Chang, National Yuan University of Science and Technology, Taiwan, Professor Hussein Ketani, Florida Polytechnic University, USA, and Professor Marjan Srijnani from the Manhattan University of Sweden. So can we have a huge round of applause for these speakers who have come over here for the invited talks, and all of them traveling on their own travel money, and we indeed are so thankful and gratefully acknowledge your presence. So I had personally observed and have been experiencing the technical sessions, the invited lectures. Let me tell you and let me confirm with all of you that all the sessions, all the events were hugely successful, and I'm proud and I'm privileged and I'm honored to tell SPIN 2018 has been a great success beyond my imagination, and it all has been a combined effort from the students, organizing committee, faculty members, the authors, the technical committee who has reviewed the papers, the IEEE UP section who have sponsored this technically for the publication in the IEEE Explore library, and everyone. Taking name is difficult, I may not like to take, but still I would like to take the name of the two student volunteers, and I would like to have a huge round of applause for Deepak and Anubhav. Okay. So these two guys, under their leadership, the entire student volunteers have been working so hard, and I'm so proud that almost every session chair, the invited speakers, the guests have given me this feedback. These students of Amity University are wonderful. They are absolutely awesome. And students, can we have the last round of applause for the students over here for being so awesome, so amazing. And there is no words to express how happy we feel that when the external guests give such comments about our students. Indeed, without an element of doubt, you are the most wonderful students, and maybe I may not like to take of course, I request the invited speakers to be here because our founder president, Dr. Ashok Chauhan, will be joining us maybe soon. We expect him next 15-20 minutes, and he would like to personally felicitate you in the stage over here. So thank you for your presence, and thank you all for your interest in SPIN 2018. Thank you.